Everyone told me that traveling with your own PC Mac is not a good idea, but I've been traveling for the past 3 years and I must say, this is actually not so bad. In this video I'm gonna show you my Mac Mini travel setup, which is cheap and powerful. So watch till the end, maybe you'll find something interesting for you. And don't forget to like and sub. So I'm Slash and I'm full-time traveler. I'm traveling for the past 3 years, every month new country almost, and my whole life fits in 20 kg luggage and 7 kg carry-on. Yeah, I know that's hard, but also I'm a full-time YouTuber and I'm running a few gaming channels. So having a solid PC build for me is pretty crucial. So I built a cheap, powerful and extendable setup which I'm using for almost 3 years. And let's start from the core thing of this setup is Mac Mini. So I'm using Mac Mini M2 with 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs memory. I bought it around 2 years ago for the $500 or something like that, pretty cheap. This Mac is so powerful. I know that we have a new Mac Mini with M4 and I'm using this one and I don't want to upgrade it at all, at least for now. So why I'm using Mac Mini instead of using MacBook or something like that? First of all, I have a MacBook on M1 chip, but my wife steals it for me and I decided that it's better to buy a Mac Mini because it's super cheap and powerful and I already have anything for it. Keyboard, mouse, and even screen for that, which I'm gonna tell you about it a bit later. And I'm pretty glad that I bought Mac Mini instead of MacBook. Of course, to use this Mac Mini, you have to get a screen. And I'm using Arzopa screen, which is 15-inch display with 144 Hz. And believe me, my Mac with this display feels so smooth. Also, I'm using this display when I'm playing on my Steam Deck. The only thing I need to do is to plug in this USB-C cable and it's ready to go. The coolest benefit of this display is that it doesn't require additional power. The only thing you need to use is just USB-C. The next thing in my setup is keyboard. Of course, keyboard is pretty crucial to use in Mac Mini because this Mac Mini doesn't have anything, and I'm using Magic Keyboard from Apple without Touch ID. It costs much more than without it, and I don't need this Touch ID button at all. If I need to approve something, I can just type in my password or just using my Apple Watch. That's it. So this keyboard is pretty interesting because it's so light, so thin as you can see, and it doesn't eat a lot of space in my backpack. So pretty cool stuff. Of course you need a mouse, and I'm using the SteelSeries mouse, which is pretty cool by the way. I got it like 3 years ago. I got this mouse for the promotion in my video, and I must say this is the best wireless mouse I'm using right now, and it still handles all the work. But recently, like a week ago, I broke my mouse wheel. Now I'm considering about changing my mouse to the Magic Trackpad because trackpad doesn't require any rocks to use. For example, I'm using Corsair rug right now, and I must say that's not convenient at all. So maybe in the future I will buy a Magic Trackpad to have a better experience. So the whole setup fits in my backpack pretty easily, and I can start working probably from everywhere. I'm not this type of person who working on co-work areas or in cafes. I'm mostly indoor person, so this setup is more than enough for me. So if you're a digital nomad like me and you want something cheap, extendable, and also convenient, try this setup. I've been tested it for the few years and I must say it's more than enough for me. Write down in the comments which setup you're using right now. And in the next video, I will show you all apps I'm using while traveling, which helps me a lot. So don't forget to like and sub.